We have all driven on those foggy mornings where you can barely see what's in front of your bumper. By installing Rigid's D-Series fog lights, you can now have the additional visibility to drive confidently on early mornings or later evenings. These D-Series fog lights are a great addition to your Fab 4's front bumpers or other setups. Unlike a lot of aftermarket lighting, they are completely street legal. The engineering of the D-Series fog lights is outstanding. These high-intensity lights have a long range due to Rigid's patented optics system. This system has created an output spread that will cut through the fog like no other, and they're legal for on-road use. Let's take a closer look into some of the details that were engineered into these lights. The housing of these lights is made from a high-grade alloy for durability on the road. One of the best features is the impact-resistant polycarbonate lens, which means that when on the road or in the woods, rocks, limbs, and dirt won't shatter your lights. The lights are also IP68 rated so that dust, dirt, and sand that are kicked up when driving won't damage your light's working parts. It also means that if you take your Jeep off-road and have to cross through mud or water, your D-Series fog lights will be protected. The light itself is built with tons of protection for the internal electronics, including reverse polarity protection, an integrated thermal management system, a high alloy heatsink, and more. Installing the Rigid SAE D-Series fog lights requires wiring and running power, so if this isn't something you're experienced with, we do recommend finding some assistance in installing these lights on your Jeep. Also, remember that these lamps need to be aimed properly to be legal. If they are aimed too high, you could blind oncoming traffic. If you are interested in purchasing the D-Series SAE fog lights by Rigid or looking to have them installed, check out the dealer locator below. And subscribe for new product videos every week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on In the Garage.